Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Vecuronium. Vecuronium has cardiac stability. Vecuronium is used in cardiac patients. Intravenous agents, Vecuronium is used in cardiac patients. Disadvantage of vecuronium is 40 to 50% of vecuronium is excreted in the bile, and in long-term cases, vecuronium can cause polyneuropathy. Vecuronium is avoided in biliary obstruction. Vecuronium.
Summary: Vecuronium is a cardiac stable. It can be used in cardiac patients. The disadvantage is 40 to 50% of vecuronium is excreted in bile. On long-term usage, it can result in polyneuropathy and thus avoided in biliary obstruction.
thank you and thank you for watching.